weekly maintenance. First, wipe down film feed rollers with denatured alcohol. Open the guard door and wipe down all the rubber rollers on the machine with denatured alcohol. Second, check the seal jaw grip on the film. With the power turned off, manually close the seal jaw on the film that is threaded through the machine. Push the linkage arm to apply pressure on the film. Apply pressure on the film to ensure you have a good grip. If the film pulls out, it is possible that the sealing jaws are out of alignment. To check the vertical and bottom horizontal grip, apply pressure to the linkage arm and pull on the film below the seal jaw to ensure film is tight. Finally, check silicone gripper material for damage. Replace if needed. Pull back a section on the gripper and inspect. If you see any pieces of material are missing, worn down, or no longer soft, you should change the silicone gripper. If changing is required, hold the gripper completely out. When you replace, ensure you install the gripper with the smooth side inserted into the gripper extrusion. The side with the groove will face outward. Bunch the rubber tight into the gripper extrusion the complete length of the seal bar. Ensure the gripper is flat.